Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Kia Cadenza key fob. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or your vehicle's emergency key, which is usually stored inside the fob itself. Also, make sure you have a fresh CR 2032 coin battery ready for replacement. Having a clear, well-lit area will help you keep track of all the small components during the process. Let's get started. Now, let's open the key fob. Begin by pressing the small release button, typically found on the side or bottom, to slide out the emergency key. With the emergency key removed, you'll see a small indentation or slot where it was housed. Carefully insert the tip of the emergency key or a small flathead screwdriver into this slot. Gently twist it to pry the two halves of the fob apart, revealing the internal components. With the key fob open, you'll see the small, round battery inside. Take a moment to observe how the old battery is positioned, noting which side faces up. Then, using a small, non-metallic tool or your fingernail, carefully pry the old battery out of its holder. Now, take your new CR 2032 coin battery and insert it with the positive or plus side facing down into the compartment. Ensure it sits securely. Almost done. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Gently press them together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely reattached. Next, slide the emergency key back into its designated slot until it locks firmly in place. Finally, test all the buttons on your key fob, like lock and unlock, to confirm that the new battery is working correctly and your fob is fully functional. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.